Hey guys, I'm at my grandparents' house, and my grandparents on my mom's side's house, and here's their old heater from the 40's or 50's. This is a Payne furnace, and it has that old pilot, as you can see. I'm not going to start it up. It's not really the heat season yet, but it's getting close. There's the water heater, state water heater. I'm not sure this is the state or state. The crickets, my grandparents walking upstairs. And the background in there is the dryer. I started the dryer. I did a video on the washer and dryer. I did a load previously. There's a pilot light. There's a dangerous rat trap to trap any rats. But you won't want to step in that because that'll be painful. I never ever got pinched by a rat trap, but I'll never ever want to, because I know it'll be painful for sure. Payne furnace? Not like the feeling pain, but it's Payne is the brand. There's the pilot. It's an old furnace, as you can tell. It has 4 burners. So that's all I gotta say. So, see ya.